Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix SiriusXM radio not working in your car. First you've gotta check the antenna placement and connection. Make sure your SiriusXM antenna is mounted outside your car with a clear, unobstructed view of the sky. Double check that the antenna cable is firmly plugged into the radio cradle and isn't damaged or bent. If you're parked in a garage or tunnel, move your car outside to restore the signal. Next you have to verify radio signals. Switch to preview channel 184 to see if you hear audio. This confirms your radio is getting a satellite signal. If there's no sound, turn off your car and radio, open and close the driver's door, wait about 3 minutes, then restart. Next, check the radio and stereo settings. If using FM mode, make sure your SiriusXM radio and car stereo are tuned to the same FM frequency. If using an auxiliary cable, check that all connections are secure. FM mode on the SiriusXM radio is turned off and your stereo is set to auxiliary input. Next, reset the radio. Turn your radio off and back on to clear error messages like antenna not detected. For dock and play or portable radios, remove the radio from its cradle and reinsert it to reset. Wait for updates. If your radio displays updating, let it finish. This means it's downloading new encryption codes. And finally, contact support if needed. If the problem continues and nothing else works, reach out to SiriusXM customer service or your car dealership for extra help. And a quick disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational and informational purposes only. It uses publicly available troubleshooting steps and does not encourage any unauthorized access, tampering, or violations of service agreements. Always follow official guidelines to ensure safety and compliance. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.